Right, grade 6, we're going to look at a new type of comparison. So you've learned about similes and metaphors. And the new type of comparison that we're learning about now is called a personification. A personification is basically a metaphor in which we give non-living things human characteristics. For example, the sad cloud cried because the sun had disappeared. That is a way of comparing a cloud, which is non-living, to sort of a human who is crying. And it's also a metaphor to say that it's raining. Okay, so we're going to look at some examples like that. While we're reading, I'd like you to think about what has been given human characteristics and what are these human characteristics. The poem that we're going to read is called The Wind is Angry. The wind is angry. He's been in rage all night, stamping his feet, bellowing, and finally breaking out. In morning light he gallops at full tilt round the house, charging at the walls, pulling at the thatch, and beating with clenched fists against the windows. Even now he is thrusting icy fingers through crevices and under doors. Right, let's maybe look at just some of the words here that might be difficult. The wind is angry. He's been in a rage all night. Rage, if you're raging, it means you are extremely angry. Stamping his feet. Bellowing. Bellowing is like crying out, to bellow. And finally breaking out. He gallops. Think about what normally gallops. Normally it's a horse that gallops at full tilt. Tilted means sort of at an angle, right? He's running so fast. It's almost like he's leaning forward and tilting forward round the house. He's charging at the walls, so he's coming right for the walls, pulling at the thatch. A thatch roof is a roof that has straw on it, so it's a grass roof. And then it says he's beating with clenched fists against the windows. Clenched means closed fists. Even now he's thrusting icy fingers through crevices and under doors. Thrusting means pushing. Icy fingers through crevices. Crevices are little openings under the door, or a crevice is a slight thin opening by the window. So everywhere there he's coming in, and it's cold wind. Okay. Right. What you've been asked to do here is just to look at vocabulary maybe relating to winter. So maybe you could think about which words relate to winter here, or to, winter weather. Right, let's look at the mind map. This is what you're going to do for us today. You're going to copy this mind map, into your exercise book. The central idea is the wind. Now, what human features does the wind have? Feet is one of the features, but there are also other things, other almost like body parts that he has, where they're actually saying the wind has this that only normally humans have. What kind of human behavior does he show? So what verbs are there to describe what he's doing? Things that maybe humans would be able to do. And then, of course, emotions, feelings. The wind doesn't have feeling. It's an inanimate object. But in this case, he does have feelings. He's angry. And what other feelings do they list here? Right, so I just want you to create this mind map in your exercise books and complete it. And that is all for this part on personification. So just to recap, personification is when we give human qualities to non-human things. Thanks for watching.